this in YouTube. I'm posting this at YouTube for everyone can see. This is actually my kuya. He's fighting my friend Jiro. My friend said he can beat my kuya. So let's watch. And I'm gonna post this in YouTube, guys, so you can actually see it. So maybe I can make it part 2. Maybe. This the guy. The one fighting that blue glove. That's him. And my Jiro is the one dying. That's my friend right there. She's going to die. And bop. She's dead.
Oh, he left.
Oh, he left na.
No, I won.
Hindi you won.
Yun na yun?
Yes.
That's your classmate?
Yes.
Weak. You only played 1 round.
One round lang. Ay,
sabi niya kasi,
ito si Ali. He said, I can definitely beat you.
Eh, you're joking me. Di mo naman friend yan.
Friend ko yan eh.
Hindi.
See this weird skin.
Di mo friend.
Bakit naman ako napunta sa map? Ay.
Niloko mo lang ako eh. Di mo talaga friend yan eh.
Friend ko yan.
Hindi.
Serious ako.
Walang grade 1 na maglalagay ng step on me, mami. You're just saying that para you can say na your classmate beat me.
Yeah, I'm just lonely.
I see through the signs.
I'm just lonely, okay? Okay, I'm just lonely. Okay, I'm just lonely. Bro, why that thing is step on me, Mom? Hashtag yan ang deep niya.
Pupunta.
I'm just lonely, that's okay. I'm just lonely.
Nakapansana ka ba?
Okay, I'm just lonely. I just want a friend.
Ano ba?
Goku?
Ah,
Ayoko. Ayoko na.
Dito, Bele.
Ayoko na. Uy.
yan, nakasento. Bra.
Uy, hindi mo na. Kuya, you know I just tell you this from lonely. Bro, who's fighting me?
Ang sakit! Ang sakit ng smash.
Kuya, I have a question po. Kuya, how you put your quack dito? Kuya,
Huh?
how you put it here?
Wala, you need the slot.
What is that?
The slot, yung nasa yung kiklaim mo.
Yung
Yung mo.
what?
Yung i-claim mo.
What you mean claim?
Yung i-claim mo nga.
So after we claim it,
You have it. Malamang.
so where's the claim?
You can't claim it. You have to fight him, di ba?
Sino?
Utang na.
That guy?
Oo.
Okay. But what is I supposed to get to level 7?
Oo.
Bruh. We just need 3 more weeks. And I have it. Guys, I'm gonna send this in YouTube. Wait.